Oh God, please, no! No!
Specially designed for smart home security with real-time alarm, detecting house condition timely. This is a Tuya ZigBee Smart 2-in-1 Siren alarm system with 90 decibels sound and flashing light. Long-time standby and low power consumption for better user experience. Long press the reset button until the light flashes fast for Tuya Smart App configuration. This ZigBee version is with Tuya ZigBee Hub required for network pairing. Tap to run the audible alarm with the sensors in your house for smart automation. Switch on the alarm manually in setting. Set the alarm volume and alarm type to your own need. Set as once the door is open, trigger the alarm to open. Set as once the detected humidity is more than 70%, trigger the alarm to open. Set as once human detected, trigger the alarm to open. Set as once leakage detected, trigger the alarm to open. Tuya N1 audible alarm right pointing arrow. Monitor your smart home with MOES.